What is Asana Task Management?
Asana is a popular online tool that helps individuals and teams organize, assign, and track work. By providing a shared workspace, Asana streamlines planning for projects of all sizes. Users can visualize workflows, set priorities, and communicate effectively, making it easier to manage deadlines and responsibilities, whether for simple to-do lists or complex group projects.
Organizing tasks and projects.
In Asana, work is organized using tasks and projects. Tasks represent individual actions or pieces of work, while projects group related tasks together for larger goals. You can add details like due dates, attachments, and comments to any task. Projects can be displayed as lists, boards, or timelines, letting your team choose the structure that fits their workflow best.
Assignments and accountability.
With Asana, you can assign each task to a specific team member and set clear deadlines. Assigning tasks ensures everyone knows exactly what they are responsible for. Notifications and reminders keep things moving, while assignees can mark tasks as complete when finished. This creates accountability and helps monitor progress across individual and group efforts.
Visualizing timelines and dependencies.
Asana's timeline view allows you to plan project schedules visually. You can drag tasks onto a calendar, set start and end dates, and identify dependencies, so you know which tasks must be completed before others begin. This makes it easier to anticipate bottlenecks, adjust schedules, and keep projects on track, from start to finish.
Facilitating team collaboration.
Collaboration is at the core of Asana. Team members can comment directly on tasks, share updates, and tag each other to bring attention to important details. Asana consolidates conversations, documents, and feedback within the platform, reducing scattered emails. This fosters transparency and helps everyone stay informed and aligned throughout the project.
Tracking progress and reporting.
Asana offers powerful features to track progress and generate reports. Dashboards provide real-time overviews of what's been completed and what's still outstanding. Custom fields and filtering options help teams monitor specific metrics. By making project status visible, Asana empowers users to identify obstacles early, celebrate achievements, and ensure goals are met efficiently.